How to do: upgrade your computer's memory. Adding RAM to your computer is a cost-effective way to boost its performance. Instructions: Step 1. Close the computer. Plug the AC power cord in and reinstall any cables you disconnected for the installation. Step 2. Turn the computer on. Follow the instructions in your computer owner's manual so that your computer recognizes the newly installed memory. Did you know? Memory chips made computers both small and affordable during the personal computer revolution of the 1970s. Step 3. Insert the higher capacity memory module in the available expansion socket. The ejector tabs at the end of the socket will pop up automatically as the module is locked into position. Quick tip: remove dust from inside the computer housing with compressed air. Dust can interfere with the proper operation of your computer. Step 4. Touch an unpainted, grounded metal object before touching any electronic components inside your computer. This will discharge any static electricity on your clothing or body. Step 5. Check your owner's manual for the location of the memory expansion sockets, and for any limitations on memory installation sequences. Step 6. Unscrew and open your computer. Remove the smaller capacity memory modules to make way for the higher capacity ones. Push outward on the ejector tabs on the storage module and remove it. Step 7. Turn off the computer and disconnect the AC power cord.